Hi, and welcome to our website. We hope you enjoy your visit. We strive to bring you the most accurate and up-to-date information available, so we hope this article will help you find what you're looking for. And if you think you have something to add, feel free to leave a comment under the article. That way our visitors can truly get unbiased information. We even implemented a rating system which displays the average rating of the page based on previous votes. You can vote yourself by clicking on one of the stars. As you can see, we really try hard to run an authentic website that actually meets your needs. In return, we would greatly appreciate if you could click on the Google +1 button under this video right now. Thank you.